So good morning everyone. It's 9 o'clock and you can see how foggy it's right now, and I'm going to my new house and I'm with my dad. Baba. Hi. So this is the very first time he is in my vlog, and we have named Hamro Ghar chai Sai Kunj. So from now onwards I'll be referring my new house as Sai Kunj. So yeah, we are going there. I will tell you all the details once I reach there. I have some work over there. That's the reason I have to go this early there. So yeah, आपको कैसा लग रहा है पापा फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे ब्लॉग पे आके?
बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही खुश, बहुत ही
गर्व बनना।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को, लेकिन ठंडा ठंडा है।
It's very cold over here. It's 9 o'clock, but still it's very 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 cold. Like
लेकिन सुहाना मौसम हो रहा है, बिल्कुल सुहाना। ऐसा ही होना चाहिए।
So बाबा, आपकी क्या राय है हमारे नए घर पे?
इतना साल के बाद नया घर में शिफ्टिंग होने जा रहा है, तो मेरे को अपना घर में इतना मेरा खुश हो रहा है, इतना मैं क्या बोलूँ अभी, कोई वो नहीं, शब्द ही नहीं मेरे।
He is very happy because it's like है अम्मी, बहुत सालों से we have stayed in rented house. Now this is gonna be our own house, which is कितने BHK po बाबा? 1, 2, 3, 4 BHK house, and we might माथी पट्टी निकाल्नु सक्छ है, second first floor. We might like increase the floors as well, but yeah, right now it's 4 BHK house, and कहाँ hall छ र dining room छ अलग्गै. So it's gonna be very like
पूजा रूम
huge. हाँ, पूजा रूम अलग से. They have seen already actually चाहिँ, but I'll still show today थोड़ा सा जितना हुआ है. Interiors is not done, बस furnitures वगैरह कुछ नहीं लगाया है, but almost everything is done है, except doors. Everything is done there. So yes, I'll see you when I reach there. Bye bye bye
bye bye. फिर मिलेंगे।
चलते चलते। So yeah, hello, I am back again, and right now I am in my new house, that is Sai Kunj. So now let me give you all a little backstory, because I know this video is not going anywhere and it's freaking cold out here. As you guys can see, like behind me there is a huge, like it's such a thick fog. I can't even see, like thoda sa aage bhi I cannot see, and it's very cold. Like I have been wearing this high neck, and inside this I'm wearing a sweater, and on top of this I'm wearing a sweater again. It's freaking cold out here. And yeah, I landed in Siliguri on 2nd of January because we are shifting our house. As you all know, if you haven't watched a video before, like I have made a day in my vlog, and in that vlog I have told you that how we are constructing a new house for ourselves. So for 23 years, like I'm 23 years right now, so for 23 years we have been staying in a rented house, and finally we are constructing our own house, and it's almost done. Like almost, only the final finishings are being done, like the paintings thoda is ye jagah wo jagah, like the gate ka painting, windows ka painting, and the door is still yet to be fixed. But yeah, so that's how that's what it was. So hamara ghar is almost complete, and according to some tithis and pandits and all, because my parents believe in all those things a lot, so according to all those things, hamara puja, the house pravesh ka puja, what do you call it, like griha pravesh ka puja, is on 15th of January. So the pandit got a date for us, and it's 15th of January. So now by 15th of January somehow we have to finish all the work. It is done, like it's almost done. I'll show you like the sneak peek of everything, and once everything is settled I'll show you a house tour. But for now I'll just show you a sneak peek of every rooms, or even the outside, or whatever it is, like the sneak peek of the entire house. Almost everything is done, only bits and pieces are left. So that was it. And on 17th of January we have house warming party. So that's the reason why I am here, and the entire week has been very hectic for every one of us. Like, it has been very hectic. We have been running, my parents have been running, I have been running, I have been like handling the house because my parents both are very busy running the stuffs outside. So yeah, we have been very busy, and yesterday we went to market, we got so many stuffs for pujas. And I'll just show you a clip of how we made nimtos, that is invitation. We call invitations as nimtos, and there is a different kind of tradition in our culture that we make nimtos in a small pouch. I'll just add on a clip right here. So we have this red color ka pouch. I'm almost done with it, but just I remembered ki I should make a video. It's so nice to show you guys our culture. So we make this, we get this small red color pouch, and yahan par we have to put, as my mom's direction, we have to put 2 pieces of clove and 4 pieces of betel nuts. So that's what I have been doing, and I have done this much. Now this packet is left and some more pieces are left over here. So yeah, let's start again. Yeah, that was the clip, and that's how we made nimtos, and we distributed to all our relatives and all the neighbors. So for pujas, only the close ones and our close neighbors are invited, and for housewarming most of the people are invited. And today is 12th of January, and half of our relatives are like already here. So the place where we are staying currently, like the place where we stayed till now, or we are staying currently, it's a 2 BHK room, which is quite small. Like, the rooms are very small, and it's very small, okay? So if there is my mom, my sister, me and my dad, it becomes small for us. It becomes small, so it's quite small for 4 of us. And now yesterday 2 of our relatives came. My mom's sister came, and my sister is not attending this time because she is in a hostel and they are not allowed to go out because they did all this COVID test. And today 11 to 12 people are coming. Those are our relatives, so they are coming, and I am super freaked out because it's such a small place and I don't know what are we going to do like that. And before 15th we are not allowed to stay in this place. So after puja only the family members can like literally stay in this place. So the problem is only till 15th, and after 15th like we have empty number of spaces, like we will have place, but till 15th is a little difficulty for us. So yeah, that's the whole story behind. And today is 12th, 13th, 14th, and just 2 more days left. I will try to show you whatever is going on. Like, half of the things I couldn't vlog because yeah, it was very busy and very tight. Like, I couldn't just get out my camera and just try to shoot because yeah, it becomes very, I don't know, it becomes very difficult for me as well because everyone is busy out there and I'll be busy shooting, which doesn't sound good. So from now I will try shooting, and yeah, that was the whole story. हाम्रो अर्को वर्कर
1 साल हो गया इस आंटी के घर में काम करते करते मेरा। अभी तो कुछ पैसा ही नहीं दिया, थोड़ा सा लेना बाकी है। अभी ये सारा मुश्किल हो रहा है मेरा। आंटी भी आ नहीं रहे, मालिक नहीं आने रहे, इतना काम करो आना रहे, जितना मांगता हूँ उतना तो देती नहीं हूँ। और आंटी कभी कभी आती है, पूरा मेरा सर भार में रखा है, पूरा ये इसको चार्ज देना पड़ेगा।
आप हेड हो?
हाँ
हेड हो?
यहाँ का हेड हूँ, लेकिन आंटी कभी कभी पैसा देती नहीं, तो मेरा बाल बच्चा पालने में मुश्किल हो रहा है। तो एक आप लोग के माध्यम से एक आंटी को खबर बता दीजिए कि टाइम पे पैसा दे दे हमको, हफ्तावारी पैसा दे दे, ताकि हम भी अपना परिवार बच्चे को खिला सको, पढ़ा सको। हाँ, ये आपका माध्यम से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको आए और हमको ये खबर आंटी को सुना दीजिए।
ठीक ठीक,
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद।
अंकल जी बोले धन्यवाद।
So I'm done with the work. I'm returning back home. As you can see, it's still foggy out here. I have to go home because it's already 10 o'clock and I have my exam at 12 o'clock, so I even have to sit for exam. So yeah, this is the way. It's so foggy out here. It's 10 o'clock and it looks like, I don't know, so it's very cold. So guys, I'll catch you once I reach home, and if there is something interesting to show to you guys, like when my relatives come and all. So yeah, till then, bye. I'll see you soon. Goodbye. She's all alone over here. अपू यसो गर्दे, यसलाई त यस्तो गरेर हालिदियो। So good morning everyone. Today is 13th of January and she's my cousin, my elder sister, who is very on right now. She is my co-brother, chori parcha hai. She is my chori, daughter, हैन, मेरो दिदीको छोरी, like के भन्छ? My niece. My niece. Oh, I forgot. And she is my buddy. Hi, भनिदिनुस् न। So हाम्रो बडी चाहिँ बोल्न सक्दैन। So most of the people are either in the market or they have gone to Saikunj. So yeah, we all are here. Only we all are here. She's here, she's here, she's here, and I am there. So के भन्नु छ विशिति तपाईलाई? अनुको mother is not here, so I am meeting. घरको मान्छे नभएको खाइहालेको। बेसी मान्छे छ त भए पाउँदैन हो। हिजो त फुल यो त मैले पाइन, आज चाहिँ पाउन आँटेको छु। गीत चाहिँ छैन लाग्यो। ए लु मिसो त गीत चाहिँ छैन। लु लाइक 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। बेक त बालासनको आँगनमा बालापनको खोला नाला काटेर जानु पर्यो लौलो जगा झाली देख्छु आँखैमा बाबु माइती घुमेको हाँसी हाँसी त्यसलाई बिर्साउँका सारी जुन आँगनमा नारी खेल्यो त्यसलाई बिर्साउँका सारी कुन डाँडाले छेल्यो होला मेरो माइती घरबारी कुन डाँडाले छेल्यो होला मेरो माइती ठुलो बङ्गलोले हुन
आउनु पर्यो नौलो घरको सङ्घारा
आउनुहोस् आज फुलचेकी मिडियामा
अहिलेको जुन चाहिँ गीतहरू भएको थियो प्रकाश ठकुरले 50 रुपियाँ दियो, सरिता ठकुरले 50 को, केबी ठकुरले 50 रुपियाँ।
So good morning everyone. Today is 14th of January and today is Makar Sankranti. So we all are having a small celebration out here. So yeah, let's go.
अपने टिका लगायो
आगे माग्नु
नेपाली
भन्छु
भाग्यमानी हुनु
नुनको
So this is my entire family. सबैजना यता हेर्नुहोस्, हेलो भनिदिनुहोस् न। मतलब छैन अरूलाई, खानुमै झगडा परिरहेछ।
दिदीलाई पनि खाना पकाउन सक्दैन चिया बनाएर कसले मार्यो साथी चिया बनाउँछ कि कसले
बेटी कोले बनायो भने
बेटी ओछ्यान ओछ्यानमा पानी परिदियो म त आफै बने खाए म त कसरी दिएन बम्बई प्यारिस हामी घुम्नु गएको मार्केट म चाहिँ बडा घर पनि गएको बाटो पनि बगेको छु घर गएको म चाहिँ माछा मार्नु गएको ल सबसे भारी चाहिँ मलाई मात्रै बोकाउँछ यी आज म गरौँ न घुम्नु गएको
So good morning guys, today is 14th of January and tomorrow is Puja. So today we have to clean our new house and today is Makar Sankranti also, so we had a small celebration at our place, our rented place. So now everyone is going. She is my Phupu lai ke bhanchau English bata? Phupu के भन्छ फुपूलाई?
आन्टी नै सबै हो आन्टी देखि सबै मामाइजु सबै पुजाउँछ सबै पुजाउँछ
या सो शी इज माई आन्टी माई माइली आन्टी माइली भन्दा बीचको मिडल जेठी देखि माई फादर्स एल्डर सिस्टर शी इज माई फादर्स यङ्गर सिस्टर यहाँ हेरिदिनुहोस् कान्छी फुपू
एल्डरै हो
अन्त कान्छी फुपू हो नि त शी इज माई कजन द वान हु इज म्यारिड माई मम
कजन अरे
मम भन्दा दिँदैछ मम यो मम cousin sister. She is my cousin sister. कहाँ गयो cousin sister होला त? She is my cousin sister. She is my niece. खै बहिनी? She is my छेमा त अन्त अर्काकै गरे। She is my छेमा भनेको आमाको बहिनी my mom's sister, and where is he? He is my Chema ko husband, Kaka. So हम सब we all are going अभी to new house. हमरे 12 तोर गएको त्यो हुन्छ नि डेली वेज काम गर्नेहरू एक आफ्नो आफ्नो बोकेर
दिदी त आउँछ रङ
जहाँ मिस्टेक होता है बताना, ठीक है?
बारस को उतना नहीं हिलाना, सीधा करना थोड़ा, ऐसे बनना पड़ेगा।
ऐसे?
हाँ तो लगेगा। थोड़ा थोड़ा कर दो, मारो पूरा नहीं।
ओ थोड़ा थोड़ा।
वो लेके मारना।